Welcome to this video. This video I will show you how to calculate measure of central tendency and how constructing frequency distribution table. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel, like, share the video. So first, to construct frequency distribution table, we find class weights or the size of the class. To calculate this one, take the largest value and the difference with the largest value and the smallest value divided by class required. Here we need to construct frequency distribution table with 6 classes. So taking the difference of largest value and smallest value divided by 6, then we obtain here the largest value is 23 and the smallest value is 1. The difference is 22 divided by 6. Then we obtain 3.6. Rounding this one to the nearest integer, that is 4. So the size of the class is 4. Here take the class interval and frequency. The class interval is starting from 1 to 4, and here we list frequency, number of the data between the class interval, cumulative frequency, and also to calculate mean of the data we find midpoint of the class, or class midpoint is required here, and also frequency times class midpoint is multiplied. So from 1 up to 4, that is the first class. Second class is from 5 to 8, and third class is 9 to 12, and the fourth class is from 13 to 16, and the fifth class is 17 to 19. And also we have the sixth class, or that is 20 to 23. So we have a data that in the class first in class interval, or from 1 up to 4, we have 6 data, and from 5 to 8 in the second class also we have 6 data. From 9 to 12 also we have, here we have 7 data, and in the fifth class we have 6, in the fifth we have 5, and in the last class we have 6. This is obtained from the raw data. So now here the frequency that is listed. From this we calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is first class 6, 12, 19, 25. Here we have 25 plus 6 is 31. Here it is 6, the data is 6, so 25 plus 6 is 31, and 31 plus 30 plus 5 is 35, 35 plus 5 is 6 is 36. The midpoint of the class is 2.5, that is obtained by adding lower and upper boundary divided by 2. Third class we have 6.5. In the fourth class we have 10.5, 9 plus 12, 21, 21 divided by 2, and 14.5. Here we have 19 plus 17, that is 19, and also we have here 22.5. Now let's multiply the class midpoint with the frequency of the class. 6 times 2.5 is 15. 6 times 6.5 is 39, and 7 times 10.5 is 73.5. 6 times 1 4 or 14.5 is 89. 87 here, and 5 times 19 is 90. 6 times 22.5 is. So here we obtain the class midpoint times the frequency of the class. Here simply we obtain the mean of the class. The mean of the class is calculated by fi, or f1 times x1 plus f1 times x1 plus f2 times x2 plus f3 times x3 plus f4 times x4 plus x5 times f5 plus x6 times f6 divided by the sum of all frequency, that is f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4 plus f5 plus f6. So from this we obtain that f1, the summation of f1 FIMI is that calculated. So we have the total summation is divided by the sum of the frequency. So here we have 439.5 divided by 36, because sum of the frequency is 36. So we obtain for 12.21. Here x bar or mean is 12.21. Let's calculate median. The median of the group data is calculated by lower boundary plus n over 2 minus CFB, or quality frequency before the class, divided by frequency of the class times I, or class size. So n over 2 means n is number of observation, that is 36 divided by 2. When divided by 2 is 18. So from this we obtain the median class. 18 means that is in the third class. Third class is the median class. Is median class. So the lower boundary of this class is 9. Let's substitute for the formula now to calculate the median. 9 plus n over 2 is 18. 18 minus quality frequency before the class is 19. That is 12. 18 minus 12 divided by frequency of class is 7, divided by 7, and class size is 4. So here 18 minus 12 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 7 plus 9 is 12.42. The median is 12.42. The mode of the class is also obtained by, that is the highest frequency. That frequency is in third class. So here we calculate by finding D1, D2. So lower boundary is the class plus D1 over D1 plus D2 times class size. It is simple to calculate this one. D1 is the modal class minus before the preceding class frequency of modal class minus preceding class. D2 is modal frequency of modal class minus the next class. So simply let's calculate the quartile, the third quartile. To calculate third quartile, it is lower boundary plus 3n over 4 minus FB divided by F. 3 times n means 3 times 36 divided by 4, because a quartile divides the given data into 4 equal parts. 36 times 3 divided by 4 means that is 27. 27 is in the 5th class. 25. So this one is the quartile class. Lower boundary of this class is 17. 17 plus 3n over 4 means 27 minus quantitative frequency before this class is 25. So we take 27 minus 25 divided by frequency of the class is also here, that is 5 times 4. That is 25 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. So simply we obtain 17 plus 1.6, that is 18.6. And now let's calculate the seventh decile. 7 decile means also calculated by the formula of lower boundary plus 7 times n divided by 10, because it divides the data into 10 equal parts. CFB over F 7 times 36 divided by 10. This one is 22 point. $25.2. 25 points is also in the 5th class. This is decile class. So the lower boundary of this class is 17 plus 25.2 minus frequency before the class is 25 divided by 5 times 4. So 17 plus 25 minus 25.21 times 4 divided by 5. This is 0.4, so the 7th decile is 17.4. Now let's calculate the 16th percentile. So also we take the formula lower boundary plus 16 times n divided by 100 minus CFB, or quantitative frequency before the class, divided by frequency of the class times I. So 16 times n means 16 times 36 divided by 100 is simply 6 times 36 divided by 10. Also this one is 22.6. So 22.6 is also in the 5th class. 20 point, that is in the 4th class. So that the lower boundary of this class is 13. 3 plus 21.6 minus quantitative frequency before the class is 19 divided by frequency of class is 7. Here we obtain 13 plus 2.6, so we have 15.6. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share the video.